Ready? Ready? Ready?
We are ready as ever
Ready as ever.
to get this hair plan down pat.
So we got the Ayurvedic Hair Strength and Growth Hair Regimen for you. 6-week plan that you guys gotta jump into. Products, everything, all set up for you. And I want to talk to you more about it. So it's the Ayurvedic Strength and Hair Growth Regimen that we did, the 6-week hair regimen. So before COVID, we were filming. Like we were filming everything, all this.
So the last time you guys saw me was before COVID. And she was doing the 6-week hair regimen on me. So this will be the continuation. And I'm so happy to be back with my sister. Oh my God.
Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun in this 6-week hair regimen because especially the biggest highlight of this whole regimen plan is making your own hair growth oil. And I have an exclusive amla hair growth recipe that I'm sharing with you guys that no one else has ever seen. And it was really cool though, doing it before COVID, and then COVID hit. So I think that because of COVID, a lot of people were home and they were like, what do I do with my hair? Let me start Ayurvedic hair care. How can I promote hair growth? And just how, how do I do my hair with all these things? Like trying to figure it out. And it was like perfect timing. It was like perfect timing. I think it was the best thing that I probably ever thought of doing. And it's crazy that we just did it before COVID because we didn't know it was going to be crazy like that, And this is actually, just seeing you. I haven't seen you since then. So this is literally, we're filming this, together after that's the last time we saw each other during this 6-week hair regimen plan that we created together. So what I like about it is that we're using Cocoveda hair mask, the deep conditioner. There's a Cassia and curls mask. There's an Ayurvedic scalp and root mask. Of course, the hair growth oil. And then you're going to be having the Moroccan hair tea in that.
Wow, my favorite. I love that stuff.
Yeah, it smells so good. And last but not least, the goddess hair. Yes, this one. This one is well started. A lot of people like
That's one of my favorites and amazing.
Yeah.
Goddess hair for a goddess woman.
Yes. That's right. It's so good. And the 6-week hair regimen, you're going to use all these products to make like a whole, your whole weekly hair wash day. Like you're going to have something to do every single week. And even, I know some of you out there are probably like, oh, I've already enrolled in that. Don't worry, we got you. The product bundle is also going to be highly discounted so that way you guys can just grab it up and repeat this. And we're doing a hair challenge. So it's gonna be so much fun. They're gonna have a really fun, good time with this hair challenge that we got. This is gonna really get you going on your hair goals and set you up for the new year and just really get you focused on, achieving everything that you've wanted to with your hair.
So yes, the last time you guys seen me, I was using the Cocoveda hair mask. This is very amazing. I love this one for my hair because I have like type 3-4 hair, the curls. And this is the texture of it. Look at this. It's wonderful. And it feels so amazing. I can't wait to show you guys how I use it and apply it on my hair. It just makes my hair feel like rich, moisturizes it. And when you apply it to your hair, it just feels amazing.
And don't forget, you're gonna be also doing a lot of hair washing before you start your regimens. And we're gonna be showing you in the 6-week hair regimen also about using your hair wash before you get started. And after you do a mask and a treatment, you're always gonna use a cleansing co-wash right before you get started on your wash day, because this is gonna open everything up also to receive the mask and it'll penetrate better. And then this is very restorative afterwards, so you're gonna get a lot of moisture back at the same time.
And I just used these not too long ago. So my hair's all washed out. Don't mind my gray hairs. You see a few here. So my hair, we're gonna be putting in after the Cocoveda. So that's gonna kick in the curls and everything. You're gonna see how it's gonna look. Right now my hair is a little bit like all over the place, but it smells good.
Yeah, this is, all of these are infused with essential oils. So
yes.
Yeah, they all smell really good. This one's a sweet orange essential oil, this one. So good.
So you see how it's all washed out? It's not fully done yet. We still have some other steps to do. And you're gonna see the difference now. It smells amazing. It feels so soft. And when we do the Cocoveda, when we put this in, you're gonna see a big change.
The remnants of the henna from last time. Oh, I faded out a little bit.
So this is really my hair at the most natural state.
Yeah.
Using these products. So.
Oh my God, yes,
It's crazy.
All right, so get ready to get into this hair regimen because it's time to reach those goals. I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek into this Ayurvedic hair regimen so that way you guys can see what it's gonna be like and what to expect. And from there, oh, the results are going to be amazing, because consistency is key. Just know that it's not always overnight. 6 weeks is a really good plan to get you, on a good regimen plan, to see results and to just really give your hair, time to actually grow and just rejuvenate in your scalp and stimulate everything and just get it going and all that shine and define, and we got you.
Hi guys, I'm here again. I'm gonna show you guys how to apply the Cocoveda in my hair. So let's get started. So I have my cape so I can just stay clean. So the wonderful golden Cocoveda, I love this stuff. So I'm gonna take out my hair. I just use my fingers. Nothing, I don't use a comb. I just prefer to use my hands. You guys can use a comb, part it in 4, 5, 6, 7 sections if you want. Me, I'm just gonna part it in 4. That's how I like doing it. So, you see? So I'm just gonna part it down here, down the middle. Now we have 2 sides. Just take one side, twist it. So I'm just taking a big scoop. Just rub it together nicely. First, I kind of just start with the ends. Stuff's amazing. It feels so soft. Man, I love it. This is pretty simple, right? It's like you're just parting your hair in four parts, applying it with your hands, which feels amazing, especially my ends here, you see? Gotta get them covered. All covered up. So this should be good. I like to go back again and apply a little bit more when I'm done all 4 parts. So now I'm just gonna take them all down. So now I'm just gonna apply a little bit more on all the edges. Places that I missed down the middle. So I think it's all covered. And now I'm just gonna let it sit for a good 45 minutes, 1 hour, maybe even 2 hours if I was home. I can watch a movie, kick up my feet. When I do my hot yoga, you could actually even keep this in your hair. Go to hot yoga if you do hot yoga, and just do the class. Maybe you can wrap it with a band or even leave it like this. No, I prefer maybe wrap it with a band and all the heat from the room, like 40 degrees. If anyone knows what I'm talking about when you do hot yoga. And if the moisture is even gonna get so like sucked in, it's gonna be just rich even more. That's even like a great idea to do. But if not, watch a movie, kick up your foot, stay like this for 2 hours, and if not, 45 minutes. And if not even 45 minutes, half an hour. Some people are busy, you don't have time, you just gotta go. So yeah, so you're gonna be back for sure to see the end results. You're gonna see my curls, they're gonna be nice and rich. I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. Hi guys, I'm back. So I just put in the hair moisturizer. So look how beautiful this is. All the curls, you see how amazing this is? There's nothing in here, just moisturizer. And it's all laid out nicely. You see all the curls. After I use the Cocoveda, the Zisophis, the shampoo, the co-wash, everything came out amazing. So this is the end result with those 3 products, the Cocoveda, the Zisophis shampoo, and the conditioner. It's so amazing and it smells so good, I'm telling you. So look how beautiful this is, guys. And it feels so nice and fluffy. Whoa, I can do this all night. Like boom, boom, boom. Man, this is a hair. You know, all these products are so amazing. If I'm walking down the street, this is my guy be like, who is that with her beautiful hair? This is like head turning.
Why don't you tell them about your hair journey? Like also like things that you've done. You had a perm before, your hair was natural,
Well, the weave,
but all the
it's
things.
because my hair was never left curly. It's because every time she would braid it, she would straighten it.
So
it was
would
just
she
like,
straightens
my hair
it
was,
and then braids it?
well, yeah, because it's easier, you know? It makes it more thin and it makes the
Oh.
my head look more flat and nice. It's perfect.
Oh.
She does a little, not all straightened, but it's like it blow dries it
I
out.
never knew that they straightened it. I presume they
For
just
me, yeah,
braided
because
it.
the way my hair is.
Oh.
Yeah, so that she can easily braid it easily, you know?
Mhm.
All the curls are out. Just like straighten,
Mhm.
a nice little puff, not like straight, but it's time for that. With a blow dryer comb.
Mhm.
Blow dry with a blow dryer comb.
Yeah.
And then she braids it. Yeah, so a lot of times it was always like blow dry and then braid. So my curls were kind of never there. My curls kind of lost its stuff because it was like always like just blow dried it slightly and then braided over time, you know? So my hair, so for the past couple of I've been in school, obviously I've been leaving my natural hair out.
Oh, that's cool.
But my hair grows more faster and better when it's obviously in a weave. I don't put nothing.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, because it just stays under it. It stays in my head, right? And it just grows.
Mhm.
Every time I take out my braids, I just pull it up and it's a good like couple inches high too.
So, but it's growing, but it's not, is it not getting as full? Because your hair seems more full.
Because the curls came more, you know, the more back.
And even your ends look good. Like before the Cocoveda hair mask.
No, because it was straight. Remember? Also,
Yeah. No, I mean before you did the Cocoveda hair mask now.
Oh, yeah.
It's like even the very ends of your hair are fully defined. Like you can see, like it's so.
More, but
more
it
fine.
still needs a cut though.
Yeah.
I told my hair when I go see her, they're like,
Yeah. How often do you like to trim your hair?
oh, I trim my hair once every 8 months.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. That's me too. As well.
Huh?
Same. Did you only have a perm once in your whole life?
No, I had a perm once, a few times.
Oh.
Yeah, but that I was younger and it was amazing actually.
You like the perm?
I liked the perm, but that was when I was living in the States. The hairdressers there were
No,
pretty good, but I was
oh.
young, and I said if I was still living there, I probably still would have did it for a while.
No, when you were a kid, you had a perm. Remember?
I did. I kept going
No.
every 2 weeks
Really?
for a touch-up because the hairdresser, the
Oh.
place I was going to, I was young, you know, but they said, like, oh my God. In my mind, I wanted to do it because I knew I had good hair and my hair will always grow back, you know, so
So
I
it was
did it
like
just
your
to
hair
see-
was strong enough to like go through all those processes.
yeah, and it was
but
getting
bounce
longer
back.
and longer and longer. I couldn't believe it, you know, but then I moved because I was seeing a hairdresser who was touching up my roots all the time,
Oh.
so I kept going back. But then when I came back to Canada
Mhm.
in this cold weather, kind of just, I just let it all go out.
Yeah. And then I think a lot of people don't realize, like, or in their hair journey, they finally realize that the weather plays a big role on your hair. Like the more
Exactly.
humidity you have, like you have more moisture. It's all about the weather. Like when it comes to hair, and every area is so different. Even when I brought like henna, having it in the East Coast and bringing it to California, even those two temperatures, the paste itself like
Changed.
was different. Yeah,
Yep.
changed. Yeah, interesting. So do you have any last tips for
Moisturize,
moisturize?
and continue using the Cocoveda because that's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I use it at least once a month, no matter
Yeah.
what.
Do you have any other favorite Hennasooq products that you like?
Essential oils is my favorite as well. Oh my gosh, the Black Raven. That's my favorite. You know, the Black Raven. Right after the shower, right? It's the first thing I put. Usually after the shower, I go right in my scalp. It's so amazing. Look at this. Peace out, guys.